Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're jumping into something super exciting. Well, at least for me, I'm super excited about this. And if you guys do not know, Jeffree Star releases like seasonal mystery boxes. I think the last one he released was for Valentine's Day. I'll link that video above. I got both of the boxes, and this time he did 3 boxes. He did a mini, a premium, and a deluxe. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the deluxe. It sold out too quick. It actually was in my cart already, and I tried like 3 times to get it in different sizes, and it just kept selling out by the time I got to checkout. So super bummed about that, but I was just happy that I was able to get the premium and the mini because these are already gone now. I did have shipping issues in my other boxes from the Valentine's Day one, where I paid for expedited and it didn't come. And this time there wasn't even an option. It didn't even give me the option to expedite it. So I don't know if that's like kind of like his quality control, making sure that the packages get sent out as they come in, like as they get purchased. And so there's no like confusion or anything, because I think there was a lot of confusion. And again, I did get both of my boxes at separate times, 2 different shipping labels. I didn't get them the same day. I got them actually pretty far apart from each other. I got the mini on Monday and I got the premium today, which is Thursday. Usually when I order, I get, you know, back to back or together, so that was a little different. But I'm still happy that I was able to get these boxes. So let's just go ahead and jump right in, because I've been dying to open them. They've just been sitting here looking at me, so I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna film this video today because I cannot wait any longer. So let's just jump on in and start opening. Oh, before we do that, please, I would love it if you guys would subscribe, hit the button down below so you can stay tuned to all my future videos and see all my past videos. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you do like it. All right, let's jump right in. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first box that I opened up is the mini, and I'm just gonna read the description. It comes in like this nice neon mystery box, and then the black lettering, and then has like a green tissue paper wrapping. The mini box contains 3 items, and it was $20. Aww. So I have his red one. Since I did buy 2 of the Valentine's Day one, I still have a red one in the bag, and I have another red one on my phone, and I loved it. It stayed on forever. It was actually like a really pain in the you know what to get off. But they work really well. They're super cute. They're for pictures. I love them. So you get a pop socket, and we got 2 liquid lipsticks. So one is a velour liquid. They're both velour liquid lipsticks. So here is what I got in the mini box. 2 liquid lipsticks, and here are the colors. There we go. Let's go ahead and swatch these. One is Human Nature and the other one is Scandal. And I don't know if Human Nature is glittery, because it does look like it has some shimmer in the swatch, like in the sticker. Looks like there's some glitter. Oh my god, I love the packaging like this. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's just stunning. It's literally like all pink glitter. Oh, I love them. It says to shake them. I've never shaken mine before. So here we go. Oh my god, I love this color. It's like a mauve rose color. Oh, this is so pretty. So this is in color Human Nature. And then the other liquid lipstick we got is Scandal. And I want to say I have this one already. I'm not sure. Ooh, this one is another glittery packaging. And it looks a little more pink. Let's go ahead and swatch this. Yes. Okay, so I don't think I have this one. This one has shimmer in it too. So actually Human Nature doesn't look like it has shimmer, but this one, Scandal, looks like it has some shimmer to it. And I don't think this is the one that I already have. I think the one that I already have is called Doll Parts, and they kind of look similar. But this is so gorgeous, and he got a lot of backlash, I guess you could say, or feedback about having his boxes be a bunch of random stuff that he couldn't sell, and like, you know, pink highlighter, purple highlighter, green highlighter, which is appealing to some people but not everybody. So he said he did try to make the boxes appealing for everybody, like wearable for everybody, which I thought is great, because his box steals are like steals. Let me just tell you, a liquid lipstick from him is $18. So this right here is $26, and plus the little pop socket, it was probably run you for about $10. I think, yeah, the site said $10 or $15. So $10 would be about 36 bucks just for this, and you saved about $15 by getting the box. That's why I love the box, because you get deals. You get steals for a deal. Get me and my mom jokes. Okay, so the next box that I'm going to open is the premium one. It just looks like this. It has the neon yellow with white lettering. All right, so this tissue paper is pink, and let me see. The premium box was $45, and it comes with 5 items. So here we go. Oh, I've always wanted one of these. Yes, so this is a liquid frost. These are his liquid highlighting drops. They're stunning, but I've never been able to buy one because they're just so out of my price range. Let's go ahead and check the price on this. So this is 25 bucks. I want to open this. This is Canary Bling. It looks golden. I'm not a super huge golden fan, but I do use it. Like, oh wait, no, this looks like it's perfect. I'm so confused. What is this for? Well, let's shake it first. And then I think this is going to be a dropper style. I think. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. So picked it up a little bit right here. Let's just put a little Dabadoo. Oh, here's what the packaging looks like on that. This is the liquid skin frost in color Canary Bling, and let's just swatch it right here. Oh yeah, it has like pink undertone glitter in it, and please tell me you guys can see that. It's so beautiful. It literally is so beautiful. Definitely wearable. Definitely wearable. Like underneath, mixing with your foundation, underneath a highlight. Definitely wearable. And this gold color is like every skin tone. When they're too yellow, they're for more darker skin tones. That's what I was afraid of, because of this label is pretty yellow. So yeah, that's cool. Okay, so we got another pop socket. This is neon orange. That's cool because the last ones came with both neon. They both came with red ones. And next, ooh, we have a liquid bullet, lip ammunition. His lip ammos go for, I want to say $16. Let's see. Yes, they go for $18. So just the liquid frost and this alone, 43 bucks. So almost what I paid for the whole box. And then we got the pop socket, which is $10 more. So that's about $53. So this is the lip ammunition, and this is in color Jeffree's Girl, which looks like a pink color. I really like his lip ammunitions, but I like his liquid lipsticks better than this. I like this more for the packaging. It's just really unique and cute. Oh yeah, this is like super pink. Super pink. This is like Barbie pink right here. Barbie pink all the way. Very pretty though. And it is wearable. Like I would wear this for a look. I don't know about wearing it out. Maybe like, I don't know. I'm super basic. Like I like nudes. The next one we got was a velour liquid lipstick, and these are $18. This is in color Gemini. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Oh, this color is so pretty. This is Gemini. So I'm just gonna swatch this right here. Oh my god, it reminds me of Leo, but like a much more nude color. Oh, it has a scent to it too. It smells like vanilla. So this is Gemini. This is gonna be my new favorite nude. I'm telling you guys, like, oh my god. So that is $18. And the next one we got, ooh, this is the mystery shade, literal mystery, question mark. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. From the packaging, it looks like a pretty nude. Ooh, so this is his summer packaging with a neon top, and it does look pink. Like I said, these liquid lipsticks are $18. So we got 2 in this box. So there is that color. This is the mystery shade. Mystery shade right here. This is Gemini. This is Jeffree's Girl. And then these 2 were from the other box. This is Human Nature, and this one was Scandal. I love them. I'm really happy. Like I love getting more liquid lipsticks, or any lipsticks in general, because I hate buying them. Like honestly, like I dread buying lipsticks because I feel like I already have one, and for me, liquid lipstick, I always want to say liquid lipstick. Lipstick isn't the staple item to my makeup routine. For me, it's more of like the eyes, the face, the lashes. Lashes, oh my god. But lipstick for me is just like an extra. So I'd rather splurge on everything else, and then lipstick is like, do I really need that? But every now and then I'll pick one up, like if I really like it. But usually when I go to Sephora and Ulta, I never pick up a lipstick. Jeffree Star, I've only bought like his mystery boxes, which kind of is giving me my supply of lipstick. But yeah, so that pretty much concludes everything that I got in this box. This box was a total of $89, and I only paid $45 for it. So that's over $44. That's over $40 worth of free makeup basically. That's why I love purchasing his boxes. If you are a makeup fan, or if you're a fan of him, definitely check out when he's gonna do his next box. He'll probably do it around Christmas time. He usually goes for the holidays, like Valentine's Day, summer. So hopefully we'll get one for Christmas. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys enjoyed everything, this like beauty steal, as I could say, because like we saved so much money on all this makeup. If you guys did purchase this box and got different things, I would love to know if you guys got different things at all, or if you got like different colors or stuff like that. Just let me know down below. Yeah, how exciting. So before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're not following me on Instagram already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I will leave my link down below. I post a lot of different looks there, more than I do on YouTube. So I appreciate you guys' support, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.